So you want to manifest your ex back into your life, and probably you have watched thousands of videos on how to manifest your ex lover. And if I'm not wrong, you must have tried various techniques like affirmations, visualizations, telepathy, and so on. But if you have still not heard from them, then please, please, please give yourself a break and let's do this awareness quiz first. Probably no one ever has done this thing on a video before, but the purpose of this quiz is to assess your situation and your belief system thoroughly. So I will ask you some questions and you try to answer those questions on a piece of paper or even in the comment section, and I'm going to definitely read your comments and reply to them as well. So you need to give either one word answer or one line answers, not more than that. Towards the end of this exercise, you will get to know two very important things. First, you will be aware of your beliefs regarding love and your relationship with your ex. And secondly, you will be able to clear your negative beliefs and replace those with positive beliefs so that you don't ever have to try to manifest your ex again, because he or she will automatically text you, call you, or want to meet you, any of these things. But before that quiz, I have one very important question. Why did you guys break up in the first place? And I'm going to answer that, not you. Now, there could be various different reasons for each one of you, but that one common reason that is applicable to each one of you is that you are out of alignment. Now, look here. You guys were somewhere here at this level. This is perfect alignment for you both. The breakup happened because either of you is out of alignment. Either you are out of alignment or your partner is out of alignment. Or probably both of you are out of alignment. So basically, you are no longer a vibrational match. But you can again be a vibrational match by fixing your level of vibration. Okay, so now let's jump into the quiz. So my first question to you is, why do you want your ex back into your life? Write the answer in just one statement, like minimum words possible. What is the first thing coming to your mind? Just write it down on a paper or in the comment section. This question is very important because this is going to tell you the energy that you are emitting. Is it a positive energy or is it a negative one? So pause the video and write the answer down. Okay, assessment time. If your reason of getting back with your ex is somewhat in line with, I can't live without him, I really need him, I feel sad when he's not around, I'm dependent on him or her physically, mentally, or financially, or in any way, if that is your answer, then know that you are at a very low vibration. If you are trying to manifest your ex with these thoughts, with these reasons, with desperation, that is the reason you are not getting your ex back. These are all low vibrations, dependence vibration, the need vibration. But if your answer is somewhat like, I really love him and I want to support him, then that is a positive vibration. That is a higher vibration because love is the highest form of vibration. And when you are manifesting your ex with this feeling from the place of love, that is when you start becoming a vibrational match to your partner. You start raising your vibration. Now, the second question is, are you blaming someone for the breakup? You can answer it with a yes or a no. Now, if you are blaming someone, it could be anyone. It could be your ex. It could be you yourself. You might be blaming yourself for the breakup. or it could be any third person. If you are blaming somebody, then know that this is again a very low vibration. So, how can you replace that energy? Stop blaming anyone and just understand that you guys are out of alignment temporarily for some reason. Soon you are going to be in alignment with each other. You are going to be a vibrational match. My next question is, do you have any fear that your ex will move on and find someone else? Honestly, write down this answer. If you don't have that fear, then very good. You are moving in the right direction. But if you have this fear, ask yourself, if you have this fear that he or she is going to move on with someone else, then of course this is again a low vibration and we don't want you to be there. So, what you can do is replace it with a positive vibration. I just want the best for my partner. Say to yourself and truly feel it, mean it when you say it. Therefore, I am setting him or her free. Now, when you truly mean this, when you say it from your heart, you are coming from a place of love. Because when you let go, it comes to you, it manifests faster. So let go. My next question to you is, are you using or have you been using any technique to manifest your ex? And if yes, is it making you frustrated or desperate for some reason that you're not getting the results, you're not hearing from them? If yes, then immediately stop doing the manifestation techniques because it is backfiring. You're developing all those negative feelings, the negative vibrations of desperation and frustration by practicing these manifestation techniques for so long. And these feelings are an indicator that you are at a position of need or lack. So instead, put all your focus on something positive, something constructive. This will help you to raise your vibration and move away from the negative vibrational position. So do something like self-care or self-love, and it goes both for females and males. Maybe just go on a movie date with yourself. You can also go out with your friends, but I personally love spending time alone. So you too can do that. It's really awesome. It's fun. My next question to you is, are you focusing on the negative parts of your relationship? Are you constantly thinking about how bad the breakup was, what he or she might have done to you, how things were so wrong? Again, low vibration. So you can replace these thoughts and remove your focus from all the negative things, the fights, the rude words, the breakup, the tears. Just forget about everything and move your focus, shift it to positive things like the first time you expressed your love for each other, the first time you went on a date together. All those happy, positive moments, relive those moments. Think about those moments because when you are doing that, it is going to send a signal to the universe that things are still beautiful between the two of you, that love still persists. Now comes a very, very important question, and most of the time we ignore this part. And that question is, what do you think about yourself as a partner? This is called self concept or the self talk. What do you think about yourself? Because many people, including myself, there was a time when even I used to think of myself as inferior. I would think that I am not good enough, I am not pretty enough, I am not confident enough, I am not cool enough, I am not intelligent enough, I am not smart enough, and the list goes on. I would just blame myself for everything that is going wrong in the relationship. I would think everything is my mistake. Maybe I am not good enough for him. So If you have those kind of thoughts in your mind going on, you need to listen to the self-talk going on inside your mind. What are the things that you are telling yourself? Because most of the time, all these self-talk that is going on in our mind is not really us talking to us, but most of the time it is the conditioning of the society, what the people around us tell us. Maybe our friends, our family members, they might be telling us things unknowingly without realizing that somewhere subconsciously we have started accepting that as true. So, what do you think about yourself as a person? If you have these limiting beliefs going on in your mind, again, shift from that negative point to the positive, higher vibrational place. Tell yourself that you are a co creator. The Almighty, that universe, that infinite intelligence has created you. So you can never be inferior to anybody. In fact, you are so powerful that you can create your reality the way you want, the way you imagine it to be, the way you desire it. You are beautiful in your own way. Because when we doubt ourselves, we are belittling the power of that infinite intelligence that has created this entire world. So we have no right to doubt ourselves. So hopefully you were able to assess your belief system and you will try to replace these old beliefs with the new ones, the new positive ones that I have just shared with you. I hope you found this exercise useful, and here are some more videos. You can go and check them out.